And the foreign affairs minister say, "Oh my year investigations." Now this is Sebio, embassy Washington DC, Ghana embassy, print fa embassy in Sem. Omuko be a computer mu, and this ya by almost dodo oma printing. Embra Mr. Kwati way, Ekufu Adomo, Abreso, Brian Champon, Bawomia, Kennedy Japan, Abreso, Moya connection, Efan in Sem. Sika na abrantie we enya afibia no na $18 million. And this ya buy papa no de bia omo ye de ye. This a new thing and this ya buy no ye. Team, stay with me. All right, team, I get it. All right. Now, government sets aside 7.8 million to pay tertiary education fees for persons with disability. A year, the education minister, Mr. Haruna Idrisu, and they were making announcement. Or say, a year NDC abino a sika $7.8 million. A dear no more year, almost say nipa sebio omuwaka. Yenuanom enkwara omuwo school. Sebio obia ne waka wo Ghana otwa adisua so ewo entoaso tertiary mu no aban tertiary institutions no government and the omoyi 7.8 million people with disability aban ebetu omu school fees amomu for free tie pizza for muntie we aban papa enyansafo ne di Ghana for so ni ati krom ha na under NPP ye hu se ye bu ebubuafo na omo deda enjuma te se tobuta no na omo saka omo no kakra amwakwanta kwasiampanyi eguo omo adwuma ewie ye sika na de omo ka omo beje of finance ministry ye sabuo omo gu so and the NDC aban aba omo yisika pudio 7.8 million Ghana obia sebio ne ho aka anybody are falling in the bracket of people with disability. Sa nipan bia oko into a school, tertiary institution, oko polytechnic, oko nursing training, oko university, abain diano, abain sika 7.8 million atowa, or the day, or the tia sanko for school fees free. Bulgaria kwasi ampenya the new free. Sa kwasi ampenya your politics, Bulgaria ya otomunai. Sa kwasi ampenya on tina radio so da. En kanchire NPP aban say omunya bibi emwe nifrafo enifre ni kwasiampanyi na oje bribe Bulgaria kwasiampanyi na oje bribe enifre ni a otumi kwatena radio so kasa 3 hours na ontumi ka bibi ama ni nuanom a sebio mu hu ade enifre ni kwasiampanyi oye politics a ni nuanom a ono omu fagem ontumi nka nokre every say enifre ni opagya ntrafo ni fre ni a onka nokre Bulgaria Osore na nunsuonsuon se borega confirm and otiti radio so na okekan kwasi asem and Dr. Bawumia and Dr. Bawumia and unim Dr. Bawumia and Dr. Kwasia aban papa ba and enifrafo and ebubuafo and omo ho aka and this aban $7.8 million cedis say yemfenti omo school fees for free wey and de bia meka chemi nuanom omo ho aka omo nim nyansa se enkwasiafo de se Bulgaria obani efra no omo ho mfo mutinhwe dan mu because you enifrafo nyansafo Ghana ya we bubuafo nyansafo Ghana ya we nuanom omo wadi dem a omo to Ghana omo som Ghana omo pe Ghana ye nti o say yeso as Ghanaians no ya boa ye nuanom a sebio bibinti omo sa category nim na kwasi ampanyi de se Bulgaria enifreni oya politics enifreni oje bribe o TV so enifreni akwasi ampanyi ode ne ho age tribal politics mu enifreni ono ohu ni binida na ote oka se nkofo e desperate aboa Bulgaria can just be desperate. Cause champagne, to binida, catch up to me desperate. Sebio to be a green crowd with him. Now politics in tea, cause champagne be to metina radio so, not yes so, but about papa ba. About papa ba. Intiana menoka say. Se sebio wo Ghana na se onwaka ebia ye wo na wedi dem ebia accident bi dem awunya udi dem o fall under PWD and the abani say omotwa sika 7.8 million Ghana cedis ye betua mu school fees for free mo a mako eye school into aso school eye tertiary institutions eye aban institutions ɛyɛ aban dia nti mo amokɔ tech mo amokɔ nursing training colleges mo amokɔ polytechnics ɛyɛ aban dia mo amokɔ ɛyɛ universities ɛyɛ aban dia no saa mo nkɔfo no nya sebia mo ho aka no aban etwa siketu a ɔmode ato a yɛde tua mo school fees free 4 years time mo santoma NDC every say NDC to so dia ade we yɛbɛkɔ so saa 80 years sa motu tia NDC a na ɛyɛ mpana ne ba saa ntwamoa ne ba saa ɛyɛ party mu pics na ɔmo ba ɔmo betwam me na me ka kyerɛw because ɔmo school ɔmo nte ase sa nka ɔmo te school ase ɛna ɔmo bu school ɛna ɔmo bu nipa anka chairman wontumi nya regional chairman anka ɔmo bu nipa ɛna ɔmo te school ase a anka bronye anka wontumi di regional chairman sa nka ɔmo nim nyansa ɛna nka ɔmo bu nipa ɛna ɔmo bu school ɛna ɔmo nim sɛnea sebio ɛwɔ se ka yɛ nyinaa yɛ bom na yɛ kyekyere man na kan kwasiafo we kan nem no kase nka ɔmo ni chairman inti Ghana for ebubuafo enifrafo sebio mo amunhume a moteme nka o radio so TV so John Mahama president na moto abama no and they were sika to 7.8 million sa 7.8 million no sa mati menhia ya hyehye de nyina o menhia enko ho sika pudio articulate nko 50 and sika gum o se sa sika nya yemfa nko ne yemfa ntua mo school fees mamo use your imagination Munya be a friend of Bulgaria, Sebio Nifrafo. A branch of Ghana, Sebio, Mom, any Frafo Ghana, Monfancheme, or any friend, your friend Bulgaria, Jantre ni, any friending. Any friend or bribe, or the NPP for you to Troton Kofoso, any friend your own gare, any friend your pedantra for, any friend ya obi to me buano, now we in Panama, any friend ya obi to me to the animal, no canonsa, any friend ya or to say if you're cramming, your friend Bulgaria, Mamma Moses so sani panoso or any pabonini. Obi a ohuni binida otumi ka kire nipa bi se ai ono e desperate ontina radio so ontina TV so embo de wuro se abanpo NPP aban for 8 years omunya bibi embo anifrafo embo abubuafo kwasiade o ya ne se odi defend chinie odi defend chinie bi esi obi so now. And the Foreign Affairs Minister, Akasa, Mr. Ablakwa, and what did he say? Or say Ghana Washington D.C. embassy scandal. Suspect Fred Kwarteng was earning $1.8 million annually for courier services alone, with total earnings reaching $4.8 million a year. Foreign Affairs Minister Okudzeto Ablakwa. Let's listen to the Foreign Affairs Minister and the Okano Parliament. We are PZ for Mejujum.
Mr. Speaker, investigations conducted by the top management of our ministry reveals that GTC dispatched between 150 to 350 visas and passports daily. Therefore, on average, about 250 visas and passports were dispatched daily by GTC. Right, Honourable Speaker, this implies that yearly GTC dispatched approximately 62,500 visas and passports. Mr. Fred Kwarteng was therefore raking an estimated $1,859,375 United States dollars annually for courier services alone. Mr. Speaker, you can comprehend the substantial sum he earns annually after adding fees for assisting applicants in completing their visa and passport forms, for which he charged between $60 and $100. By conservative analysis, Mr. Fred Kwarteng made about $4.8 million annually from his unlawful enterprise. Mr. Speaker, it is important to emphasize that there was no share. There was no revenue sharing arrangement with the ministry. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs had no share. This $4.8 million was controlled totally by Mr. Fred Kwarteng. The Speaker, investigations conducted.
So, PZ4, where Foreign Affairs Minister Okudzeto Ablakwa reminding you so ya uneni, and then I am be 1% betino. And found so ya uneni or ya 10 you. So enzemani o ya santino de hianse oye adwuma no ena adwuma no so na oye enti yamfa bebi ofiri nto nchen na momu bi mo pesa adodo na abrofo na oka nyina mo baba bonum amonte ase momu bi PZ4 de na oka nyina o say eye Ghana embassy and Nana Danko Ekufuado Dr. Bawumia Mahamudu ana Mahmudu oni Kennedy Japan mo ene Brandy Champon mo time na omote so no abrantie bi na owo Ghana embassy wo US Washington DC a your friend Mr. Fred Quartin ono na hwe visa so se ne yebe ma manfo visa ne ade and the foreign affairs minister say my year investigations now visas are sebio embassy Washington DC Ghana embassy print fa embassy nin sem omuko bie computer mu NDC aban ba hwe dodo o ma print embra Mr. Kwati we Ekufuado mo abreso Brian Champon Bawomia Kennedy Japan mo abreso mo ye connection fa nin sem no sika na abrantie we enya afibia no na $1.8 million asama Okudzeto Ablakwa kan no emfini botomo investigations o ma ye because embassy every day bi omema visa bia no omo charge fee o say sa sika abrantie nya no se okeka sika wanyinya akeka ho ne nyoma bia wa ya ekeka ko $4.8 million na omo ko ba America hana omo Washington DC for computer mu omo ye auditing investigations no omo hu say visas dodo ya printing any visas afam sa sika ni nyina ma Ghana ban ho under Ekufuado Bawomia Kennedy Japan Brian Champon Okudzeto Ablakwa mo say omo ko ye audit investigations no about $4.8 million Ghana embassy wo saa sika nanka o sani nyina ekoho ebesin ne saa sika ni nyina afa Mr. Fred Quartin any NPP fo aban no mo hwe Ghana so insem. So you see the seriousness of the canker, the seriousness of the problem. We are talking about calculated, orchestrated, and yet well managed corruption at our Ghana embassy Washington DC. And this was going on every single time. We were speaking on it under Ekufuado. We were speaking on it telling Bawumia. We were telling Kennedy Japan. We were telling Brian Champon. Say, you people, the way your government is running the embassy in Washington, D.C. and other places, you people are destroying Ghana's image outside. And the reporter, Abada, say, just Washington, D.C. alone, Ghana embassy, Sika Afani Pansem, Mr. Fred Quarti no visa application and visa acquisition so no sika afa ni nsem ya kekabo ma $4.8 million. $4.8 million a year. Afibia into the yan rounding it up ni anya $5 million times 8 years na ye calculation na hwe amount for atna United States of America Washington DC to say me atna Ghana embassy abo Ghana krono. And the funny thing is, Busa who say the former ambassador na our Ghana embassy, Halima Mahama, Mumusa Mahamene say, does she know anything about this? Because administrative wise, she is the head. She was the boss. Technically, she was Ghana's president in Washington, in Ghana, in America. Inti sama amena na imbrebe make am so much say oye ambassador no. Right now we should ask the woman, how did she oversee? How did she sit down for this canker? This high level of corruption to happen at the Ghana embassy in Washington, D.C. How did this happen? Was she part of the crime? Did she take part in it? Now, this Fred Quartin guy, we need to make sure we scrutinize and squeeze him for him to tell us every single person who was involved in this scandal. And these are things that the Ghana for say the John Mahama administration, they came to reset. Now, resetting is not easy. You are going to hit lots and lots of blocks. There are so many things you will need to bring down and rebuild it again. There are so many things you need to rearrange. There are so many things you need to make sure you start from the bottom again. Because among for us saying to the point, say the country as we sit in, and all that you are seeing, all the things that the minister is talking about, this happened under Nana Ekufuado, Bawomia, Kennedy Japan. Because NPP, omo anom top no omo nana ede omo party members omo nana omo du omo wuram won wa branch na friend Kofi Tonto no say not America ha bumuza Kofi Tonto say identity free Ghana embassy ekọ den Washington ekọ Ghana Kofi Tonto kwasi ampanyi we no na odwin say oba Ghana omo be ne minister Kofi Tonto last meeting say oti asempa. He was speaking as if say this scandal he knows nothing about it. Kofi Tonto was part of the people who put up this kind of stealing regime, stealing mechanism at the Ghana embassy. Kofi Tonto. At the time I know Ghana embassy Washington, no just a Ghana for Jimmy and an MP before that and so Jaina Bra. Now bedru Ghana na okasaka cry. Yabema ministerial appointment and the Kofi Tonto. The other better prepaid cronibi. Wadani a mere party communicator. Waya kwasia. But Kofi Tonto started his corruption from the Ghana embassy Washington DC. That is why today Kofi Tonto is in Ghana, sitting on TV, defending corruption, defending the NPP, because these are some of the things that made him a human being. I'm telling or I'm advising the Foreign Affairs Minister, Mr. Ablakwa, that people need to face the law. We need to prosecute people. People need to end up in jail. In fact, we need to stop some people from entering the United States again forever and ever. They need to be kept in Ghana. They need to be changed in Ghana. They are not supposed to come back here to do anything. And a typical criminal, I know ye Juma ewa Ghana Embassy, Washington DC, Kofi Tonto. Or ye re sa mechanism we omo puti up, omo cookie ya, and the abedu say ye nyina ye bie mu no. Kofi Tonto no onim hu bi. Mumusa ne say time na oye Juma wo no. Sika no mo gigi no through visa no sa sika na way. Let them tell you the audit they did, the investigations when it started. When it was happening, Kofi Tonto was at the Ghana embassy. And what Ablakwa is telling us, we as Ghanaians, we need to take this seriously. And this is just Washington, D.C. Do you know what is happening in Holland? Do you know what is happening in Spain? Do you know what is happening in France? Do you know what is happening in the UK? All over the world, our embassies and the NPP, they were turned into cash cow. They were turned into a cartel ring where people were making money out of us. And we are not supposed to see this as a joke. This is a national concern because it is not just Washington, D.C. This cuts across. This goes across the world. Everywhere there is an embassy at Ghana, you need to understand, say, the same strategy they adopted at Ghana Embassy in Washington, D.C. is the same strategy they adopted in all these their respective embassies. So it is not a small job that the minister has to do. He has to audit every Ghana embassy around the world. And we see the corruption. Munko Spain, munko he. Yasi akwati etibu ho time. Now, I've received a lot of emails. And this goes to the minister. Mr. Ablakwa, I've received a lot of complaints. I've received a lot of emails from people in France, Ghana for more France, especially Ghana for more America, Ghana for more UK, more Spain. Especially, I'm going to speak on the ones that are sending me concerns, issues happening right now at the Ghana embassy. I know, say, what you guys came to meet was basically a nothing. And when I say was nothing, there was no embassy. Goro boys who were there making money for themselves. In fact, I know what the NDC came to meet. Washington, D.C. at the embassy. No, there was nothing as an embassy. Now, Obiya de Ope. People were stealing. There was no correspondence from the embassy. People were not responding to calls. Administrative-wise, everything was shut down. There was nothing like an embassy. People were just sitting there taking money and fooling us. I know it is difficult. I know it is not easy. I know you cannot just come in and say you want to reset, restructure. It is going to take some time. And you are going to have administrative lapses. Right now, people are complaining, Mr. Minister, that when you started this resetting from the embassies, some things are still not right. And I know it is the amount of damage these people did. Now, I know what these guys, the NDC guys, are going through now. Now, they came to meet a system that was bogus and criminal. Now, this Fred Kwarteng and the Nkwofodomo embassy, they made the illegal structures at the embassy, they over the time they made it look like illegal. So now Ablakwa and the NDC, they need to come in and make sure everything that looked legal, which was illegal, they have to make sure they break it down and start it from ground to make it legal. And this is not just Ghana. The Ghana embassy there is going to face a lot of problems because one, you have to understand to say every third party company biana Fred Kwarteng and Ghana embassy, those people were working with the Ghana embassy illegally. Now remember, before the NDC came to power, those companies that were working with the Ghana embassy illegally, some of them still have Ghanaians, their passport, their documents, their data. Now, Fred Kwarteng, they have the key to all this data. This is a guy who has been caught, who is a criminal, technically being processed for court. Now, as we speak, how can you get the system back to work effectively? You need to make sure you start to build everything from scratch. Now, building everything from scratch, you need to understand the embassy cannot wait. People want to travel. People need visas. People need the embassy to respond to their emails. People need the embassy to be corresponding. Now, how do you make this work? It is like coming in, breaking everything down, and still making sure that the embassy is efficient because people still need visas. People still want to do business with the embassy. So what do? I know the Ghana government is in a very tight position because slowly you need to weed out the bad system, the bad administrative structure, and try and turn it around gradually to make it legal. How do you do that? People also are waiting for their data. Into be able to send the passport, not in some kind of passport, because the passport people, the courier service, and illegal service, and they are now not willing to work with the Ghana embassy. Now, you need to understand, to make sure that these people bring back all the passports. These people, they make sure that they come back for Ghana embassy, the Ghana government, to get everything back. It is not going to be an easy thing because right now, that is the only thing Kwatin in the group they are holding on to. If I am Kwatin, I will shut the system down because for the past years, I have been able to build a system that favors me. So if you're a government and you come in and you come to do audit, that's all I say, I will find a way to break the system. And that is why the Ghana embassy in Washington, D.C. is struggling. That is why the Ghana embassy in Washington, D.C. today, I get lots and lots of people sending me emails that we have sent our passport. We are not getting the visa. We are waiting for somebody to pick up. It is because the system was broken. Now they have to build a system from scratch. So I will urge the minister that communication is important, that the embassy should have a 24-hour desk, at least a 24-hour desk. If administrative-wise, things are not moving smoothly as you predicted, then at least you should have a 24-hour desk that will be picking calls and answering questions. At least somebody can pick the call and tell the person at on the phone that, in fact, we understand, we know how you feel. We have accepted. Now, please give us 2 days. We will work on it. What is your passport number? Somebody should be behind the phone. And this should go to Okudzeto Ablakwa. We know the hardworking people are doing it. It is not easy because what you people came to meet is crazy. It's disaster. So at least Ghanaians outside who want to do business with the Ghana embassy and people who are not from Ghana, foreigners who want to do business with Ghana embassy, they need to get to talk to somebody. So at least you need to have about 3 phones working for 24 hours at least. You need to get people working the phone lines 24 hours. At least you need to put 3 phone lines out. That are phone lines, sir. When you call, you need to get response. We are not saying, say, the problem you came to meet, use 2 weeks to solve it. We know you are doing your best to solve the problem, but at least let the people be informed. Just be updating the people. So, Obi Frey Embassy now, somebody should pick up. Somebody, it should be somebody's job. Somebody should be able to pick up to say, hello, you have called the Ghana embassy. How can I help you? Nipanabeka say, yes, I've submitted my passport. It's been 2 months. I've not received it. That person should be able to have that time to explain it to the person, for the person to understand. So at least they have people at the embassy working for us. So, Mr. Ablakwa, as much as you are working so hard, you are doing your investigations, you are briefing us, make sure the embassies are effective. At least the front desk, the phone lines, they are effective. People can talk to people. And I'm giving you just a week with all due respect because we are all waiting to talk to somebody at the embassy. We acknowledge your hard work. We acknowledge what you are doing. We respect the work you are doing. We know you are trying to put things in place. But at least let somebody be picking phone calls. Somebody at the embassy should be picking calls. We need about 3 phone lines that are effective 24/7. We need somebody who will sit behind the phone, pick the phone, and put people's concerns on paper. Send it to authorities and say, at least these are the concerns we are getting. Can we do something about it? Ghanaians just want to hear somebody speak from the embassy, or else all that you are doing will go into the trash. Relations, communication, dialogue is very paramount when it comes to building an institution that can be trusted. Building an institution that can be trusted, it's all about communication. It's all about dialogue. When you fail that part of communication, you are done. So, Mr. Ablakwa, this is an advice. And it shouldn't be just Washington, D.C., France Embassy, Ghana Embassy or France. It is terrible. Ghana Embassy or Spain, it is terrible. Ghana Embassy or Kuwait, terrible. Ghana Embassy or UK. At least for now, we know you people are restructuring. What we want you people to do is simple. Put 3 phone lines, effective phone lines that are working at these embassies. Let them talk to human beings. Let them, at least when somebody calls the Ghana embassy, let somebody talk to somebody, and it should be prompt. We don't want to talk to any voice nonsense. We want to talk to human beings. At least I don't think it's too much for you, Ablakwa, and the embassy to employ 3 people to be sitting at a desk in front of a phone and picking people's phone calls and concerns. I don't think it's that big. It's that difficult. There are people who are even willing to do this job for free. So we are sending this message. We are demanding this. Mr. Ablakwa, we are demanding this. We know you are working. Germany embassy, Ghana embassy in Germany, Ghana embassy in Spain, Ghana embassy in France, Ghana embassy in Washington, D.C., Ghana consulate in New York City. Ghana, make sure you have told us you are resetting. What catcher say mo ye juma, mo sheshe nyoma, say ya sheshe nyoma mo ma phone si nye juma. For all you know, the embassy, our passports be a ededa wa, yedi visa abom keke. People just want to call and say, "Oh dear, before the calamity started, my passport was there. Is it there already?" Somebody just want to come for their passport. They don't even need a visa again. So somebody should be talking to Ghanaians. I'm going to come back to this matter next week. And next week, at least, I need to get some emails from people. I need to get some calls from people telling me, say, the Ghana embassy, right now, they're offra obifa. And yes, sir, Mr. Ablakwa, I know, you are not going to like me. Ebasa, and you will tell me, say, I don't want anything good for you. And this is something I am telling you, me before, where I stand. As much as I'm applauding you for the work you are doing, get people behind the phones. Get people to work the lines. Get people to even be calling Ghanaians and telling them, Mr. Asimesi, your passport is here. We don't have a visa in there. Can you come? We want to see you and talk to you. You need to do that. Because I am very sure there are some passports at the embassy or a man from Nigeria. You people need to call the people. It is your job. It is not our job. We know you are resetting. You know we are working. Your Ghana for Brahma Brocha, passport to embassy. Gather those passports and start calling the people. Almost so friend, munti omo. So person passport. Give them dates. Let them come for their passport. That is what we need. Ghana embassy in Spain is fucked up. Shut that embassy down, sack every idiot there, and get new people there. Yes, see, announcement about NIA4 and the Omoya announcement. Now, announcement in say, a year 18.7 million Ghana cards ya printed. I'm a Ghana for. I'm papa ba. Bibi a question show. First, no betty, mensanka me card. And I'm a coy, you change L or medimu, ya R, ya change Al, and ya R. I will call for to cut Al, to cut R, I. And Medino, ya from a heading, a yatobla, me coy a man at Tobra, into much change L no and R, or my Al no R, into Yantias, yes, and the sign of money in our own TB. And a year Ghana card, a year National Identification Authority for almost on my printed 18.7 million. And over cards are so far on my register NIA4 and the egum Amagana for. Now Menoka say 17.4 million. Sa card no sa 80 million no emu 17 million the Amagana for. Show. Because NIA, omuni the courier services, distribute cards no. Aban papa ba, see no blockage bi ani ho, nepotism bi ani ho. Aman for ye omodwuma, release cards no. Inti 18.7 million cards no omotwa no. Emu 17.4 ni nyina kodi Ghana for nsem. Kakra na akabe 822,000 no. Ni nyina da ho omo ho. Nti bode wuro se, wa won sanka wo card no frɛ yentembeje na twagum. Aban papa ba Bibia ko wawa, Bibia eko wawa, ejina naso, Bibia ko wawa, aban papa ba sa netie. So you need to always understand, aban ba nyama bibre sisa. Nan say Ote ya che so because I and as a siano me Ghana card no me kokwaje ye no yesi me nsan kan ye me ko yesi ani ho yesi change me din and the aban papa buy no onte sa confusion ni biom ye de ne kwan so amanfo eje omo card ye twa card ni gum obian complaining sana a better government work sana aban papa ye sa woto abapa unya de ehon faso ni bi na ende yete ya make kire no 18 million cards emu 17 million already shared. It's gone out. It has been distributed to the owners. And I got only 822,000. And also, minim se enchebiani nyina beko. Omo clear table no so. Se ne be ya wo kwa. Ube hu se dabi. E wo se den. E wo se mitumi ko minjuma na misumi tua meto. Sa na tie. Inti omo se yen kan kire mo. And also omo sa ka bibi kire mo se yen kan kire mo se. Eye National Identification Authority for say, memma bank bia and ye photocopy of your ID card. We announcement and the National Identification Authority NIA for the announcement about Bontene. I was saying country PZ for men country South Interest for Asenkrigwa for a pram for more a den Tafo Pankrono, more tag. A NIA for say, Sawoko banker, men for Ghana card in my Obiaso on Fanko photocopy mrel. Almost say Emra and Maho Quine. Inti sende oton ade o PZ oton adepa utia oto unya wonfa so a sebio se ukọ bank na odi sika koto na obi ka che se fa o card ne ma ye ne enko ekoto photocopy a menje menfa ma no efri se sa o de mana enu na ya na nam so a nipa bi awia mu information a omudi kom bank accounts mu ekoji mu sika inti menfa wo card no emma obi ase onko photocopy ma wo inti PZ for mo amuye adwuma pa enye mo amoton red no mo na mene mo kasa mo amuye adwuma pa amuji sika pa amutua moto mo amoton red no enye ne mo na ekasa red sika yempe akronfo ye kan ye maame no ma omudi dwa wo PZ ye nuano mo mema omudi dwa papa wo PZ enye mo amototo abkonfo botom mo amukutakuta bag gina kwan ho a mo penkofo bu omo enye mo asem na meka PZ fo mo ye adwuma pa ekofa nyoma pa ebeton nyoma pa etua de ekapa. Inti ende announcement abane say uya Ghana ni memfa o Ghana card ma bank bia in fact uko institution bia memfa eye o card ma obia say ende asemesi je never kwa ekiro never kwa den never kwa photocopy never breme or the kwa asembe to da achi inti kwa memfa o card ma obia say onye photocopy ma sa nyoma we otumfo ntina meye sa nyoma we ende mo sorry wo Kumasi matna eye radio hua obi anka bibia nkyerɛ mu nkyerɛ mu da bia meka mesi nkenya otumfo se tutu na na piao enya na mesa adwuma nka menya mamo efisa mu dodo mo nte brofo na mo mbra mo ho ase ye kan sam no wonkran a embedu nkran no na NPP fo adane asem no na mo de twa motro na impuntio mafie eni ntina menya abotre eni ntina medwudwam eni ntina mema Ghana for titiru mi nuanoma santefo mu hu nyoma no me kan ne brofo na madwudwam otwi asantim na mwate ase efri se mu radio fo no omubu mu se sebio mu bi ma adwene nkwa akire nti omo daada mo ye kan brofo no wonkran a deche embedu PZ no na brofo na dane eni ntina mo mpem asem ba meboa mo otumfo o se tutu ntina me ye we nka me ko nka me nye debia mukoda mo mbompa ya mo otumfo na mo sambompa ya mame na mo enyame anka de Ghana ekwo nka mate mo enyame a anka ende de ekoso Ghana anka sebio anka mo bete anka mo ntimu ba akokra nanso eya me ekobedu a sebio magyatum se me beboa ama ya kyekere Ghana ama bibia akoso wa no ama Ghana afa ne ntuma pefra ama sebio yenje obia we kyire nti ende mabeka no kora edwudwa nsem no mu kyerɛkyerɛ mu ehu se den eye Ghana card no memfa ma obia wo banko wo school se nipa ne koye den onkoye photocopy ma menye masate se eye Kumasi mayor a release statement say memenda ebe mema obia mbadwam yemprapra Kumasi message get me the story me dango jina PZ me wia na makọ afenyo marking so me the 10 minutes edwudwam me says get me the caption the me says get me the screenshot of that story. I want to speak on it. Diametier say, and Yasi Kumasi Mayor, a release statement. Mr. S, Mr. P, get that statement. Get me the story. It's not on the system. Matisa Kumasi Mayor, a release statement to be say. A year or two for a set to two ebenya ho every swan. Yasi no, swani hine. Minim of Boswana na. Yasi on hine frobi. Every a year a crow for froso ba asantimema besra menana. O 2-4 say to na piao. Na instructiona obesra no o 2-4 say to ni befa krom. Enti esia no asema ya ka to wo anase announcement a ye de abeto no say Kumasi Mayor de asem ya beto abonten say asantefo amudi dwa e wo kagetia Central Market de nyina no yese memenda we memo bia nhwe dwa yese ye be prapra krom Eswatini sana friend no Eswatini for hine ba your friend the king of Eswatini Botswana for hine I think said that's him right now Eswatini hine na oba no inti esi otumfo akasa kire mayor ema mayor aka kire Kumasi for say ye ne edidwa eye memenda ebe ye ndidwa ye sore no pa 4 ye mfa priority tia ye so ye tia ne mfa priority ten ye nyina ye nhie mu okrom na ye me pra krom efri say hoho ba la ilaha Kumasi Mayor na dey asem na beto Mr. Get me the story before nkwasiafo na ka Kevin about it Mr. S put the story for me Mr. S team put the story for me the person we be you can say and DNDNAC is it here? Okay, I have the state. Thank you very much, team. Team B the story now, but thank you very much. My making kana mi jom encha santimai. Otumfo ntina me yen kamen kame. Ka yesi me fa wo ho. Otumfo na me do no. Nana piao me do wo nana ne me. Me nyina santimemu. De meye bia de abon ho ban no nana meye. Piao. Na ma me nkyerem asam ni nyina nie. We ene krata ye dia beto Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. We announcement kese a ye ya mi dwodwom enie. Asamasi yensi antuma gufin wa bontene ti ebesi no dem Saturday na Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly amnom release here for immediate release PZ for say immediate release I just say enimenim here asem we hia yendi ho dwuma your friend immediate release PZ for mum biom asum na me be kind brofo otumfo dira ka me kind brofo kan twi na me do no now on say Kumasi to host massive clean up Kumasi to host massive cleanup exercise in preparation for royal visit of the King of Eswatini, formerly Swaziland. Anya Botswana, Swaziland. Assembly report Metropolitan Assembly. King Zuba Edano. Assembly Modia Bane say. Almost say enimenimu yano. Asantemai. Yebe day. Aprapra. Yebe siesi krum. Yebe tigatem. Baby aya junsogu ye di nsuo beguso baby aya ne niasi ye de e de tabono betoroso baby aya ye ho basa nyina ne se eye memenda ebe ye baba ye den clean up exercise in preparation ye se ye baba ye den ye be pip ye be siesia santimemu efri se hoho oba every day la bre assembly tiri po na mi kire mu no pizza for the tiri po. Now the three policy say Kumasi to host. You see, Kumasi on hini kese free. Eye ekura na first friend Swaziland. Eswatini. I sign a friend say Eswatini. Or Baba Srow 2-4. Ewa santimemu. Inti ye nyina ye Baba ye dieng. Ade amo friend no Saturdays. I have friends say clean up. Amo dibi amo friend no. Ye nyina ye Baba pra santim. Mama minjudwe mu ha. Amo say in anticipation. Pizza for mo ti ase. Ye ka say in anticipation. In anticipation of the esteemed visit of the head of state and kingdom of Eswatini, formerly Swaziland, to His Royal Majesty Otumfo Setutu II Asantehene, the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, KMA, will be organizing a massive cleanup exercise on Saturday, June 21st, 2025. Almost say, ensra sebio yenyina yedi echire. And no can say, in anticipation, ensra. Yenina yenidaso anticipating. We are anticipating. And sra yenya santiman yenidaso. Say ɛyɛ ɔhene bi a ofiri ekura yɛ frɛ so Eswatini ɛbɛsra santehene ɛwɔ asantememu abɛtena ne so ɛwɔ ɛyɛ deɛn menhyia no ɛyɛ Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly ɛndɛ ano asɛm a wɔde abɛto abɔntene sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛn nyinaa memenda a ɛbɛyi anɔpa tututu nɔnan yɛn nyinaa yɛmbɔtwi ɛmmɔsa na yɛnti yɛhungu Kumasi abɔntene so titiriw ɛyɛ edwom yɛmfa praeɛ tietia ɛne praeɛ tenten yɛmfa kuma asɔ yɛmfa ɛyɛ deɛ bodua na yɛmfa ntomago ɛnsensan yɛ kɔn ho na yɛmbɛ pra kuro nim yɛsi ansa no nifrɛ ni bɛto boa bɔɔl no na onim deɛ ne nan si so sanka fin wa anka yɛmpra fin ei ka mi tela kyɛnkyɛn nana pia me dɔ mi kyɛkyɛ ma kyɛw nananom yɛnkɔ anim paragraph 2. The head of state and kingdom of Eswatini, His Majesty King Mswati III, will visit Kumasi from June 24th to June 28th, 2025. Yes, Papa no obeba betna Kumasi 4 days. 4 days in Tianjunzo. 4 days no from 24 to 28. Yana ohine ne beba beso 24. Unu musia lo da sha untumem. Mo ankwase afo na monum pike. Monum pure water. No mato ye jai for 4 days dey me enya saa biom. Ye say unum pure water wi a na da bon tuma no na wakyekere because obi abesraye. Se bi omu amukọ nea na mo de paper no mato abontene na abontene na mkofo hwena no ye se wo nea na wakyekere na o de ato dam. Efiri se ohene bi besraye ennanan oman mo sorry a na matwe mo be ma na mo junso guda ho keep off ne ade beware of dogs for no mo twe mo be ma yes mo nyai bebi a na mo ta junso pizza ta wo fa na fa hwinim yes mo nyina no mo hwe mo fa so clean ngu so edwaye because ohene bi betena ye so ennanan enti nkwase ade ye nyina ye nyai brofo na se kire no mo amonene rough we for no Aya ashtown we for money rough mo ya no ban yes so ohini bi betra Kumasi 4 days ono 24 betum pasa ahomache 4 ono 24 beko walk ebo 6:30 omo beko jogging ebo 7:30 a omo beba aya menhia any area ho ebe hwese nkofo to dame ohini ni betum pasa anene sa we for na money rough no maban ha no maban ye ne ye de munja anene no 4 days obia nka ni yemu ntwom monka motontwom ne anene no do not urinate for no na see do not urinate for no you say ye monjun so wodam ohene no kwa you say ohene no ba na okowia ye betuma ne but see ade ye ne wodam paragraph 3 wedwa idiminya da minjai important me na toilet no mu bobi na kokon mu ni zuba nkokon na me matro letter bi zuba na atro abalo me dwudwam otumfo nti na me ye na nkese nkame o bodam now mo amoso mutonto akoba buti ya wo na ya wo ya na me koto oje na de deg and dojo mu nyina mu nja yesi aye mpai yesi 4 days no trotro for mu nja pai enti mu gina ho a esi an muntumi nkan kese red for na mo beja na mada no mo anam kotra trotro ho a na mo pai na mada mutumi pai na mafo mada ye be hwewasum 4 days ye no red ye mfa 4 days in pai bibia biam 1000 razo azavo san kwasiam pai ne san kwasia sa red no 4 days ye bejai ohini bi ba red bibini pa na say ye ne a ohini obi ama ye nyan ne yanko paragraph 4 asante your mind na ma me ko benim paragraph 4 the massive cleanup exercise you see cleanup exercise adikudenti amoye no enie red the massive cleanup exercise aims to ensure the city of Kumasi is spotless spotless and presentable to honor the distinguished royal guest almost say adikudenti a eya meminda we obi amfa praetintini praetietia mo amone ne munjai wifo munjai adikudenti asa eya insiesie a yebesiesie Kumasi no ehia ne se ebebo ma Kumasi nwate yes spotless Ete say Kumasi no, ete say one ne. Unya baby ntia. Ete say ma Jonso. Unya baby mfa. Gatemu e was say unya baby. You see they see e kase be spotless. That means anene nyina be free ho. Ni nyina kan so omo ti krodim se ne be ya. Eye ohwohwo na obesra otumfo say tuturu be hu say ye di ehuni. 4 days no. Ya be say approve kire ohene ba akọ na oba ne say ye ne 4 days ye betu di ehuni. Hey! Priority the priority edwaye pipe ano monfa adu bi nkan mo amwo pride de twitwe edwaye no asafofo no aya monfa tretre sa tietia na de twitwe edwaye no aha. Paragraph number 5 omaidwa ele ogira de mewu ogira ne garagwa fo ele bidiate brofu na ba de se mindwudwom so bi ti brofu chase onko dwudwom. To ensure full compliance and successful participation, all shops and commercial establishments in the Central Business District, that's the CBDs, are expected to close from 6 a.m. to 12 noon to facilitate the cleanup. Inti yasi aya memenda ebe no. Aya mo aya Central Market area holding yina from anopa no nsia ekodru aya ewia aya du mienu. Du mienu 12 no e wo say ye to store bia mu na ye pra bini no na ye pra Johnson no na ye tegatem na ye de pra ye twitwitwu fom na ye de adwaye gugu Johnson so na ye moku sese ekuro mu atememu ehwam se ne be ya ye nyina betumi di dwuma na ohene ne ba na one nanenam sentimentum a onka say aha otumfo 32 I like your country so much also you know you are very clean people good yes mom pra nhye table ase o yes mom pra antikuro nim Intanya se bini no na ma pra na the table sisi so na ma kofa ntoma na ma takata Johnson so yesi mo pra kuro nim mo nti kuro nim eh asempa ni o. All right, now mami komenim. The KMA urges all residents, businesses, and stakeholders to participate in this initiative. We invite the good people of Kumasi to join hands in making this exercise a success. Together, we can showcase our hospitality culture and pride in our clean city. And issued by Public Relations Unit KMA to all media houses. And the Abakayansa. Inti almost say, dear no. Inti the Akono and the Akono. Yasi Ayami Minde, Yapese or Hinena Ofri Etwatini no and we say Yedi Huni. Sebio Yantibinim. Obaninti yeni ane yetu yebu yebe yese yentu yensi entumago ewa abontene inti entumago no ende ohini bi ba inti mum yensi no wadam yenne wadam yanju nso wadam gatas na emu esisini yamfa bibi ntotototo so entontom no yenso so mosquito coil ohini ne ko wia ne yasa de aba abontene 4 days le bebro yentumi njunso 4 days yentumi nene we for to be mine 4 days yentumi no red hey ene Kumasi go on hunger strike 4 days way 24, 25, 26, 27. Me am be live Kumasi o. Ho be din. Yesi me enwo fufuo ebi aburu afi yanka ye kan wom na manka. Yesi ohene na oba no ompe dede otai kan book ope quiet time. Every time you didi wi ope so kan or story books or kan ompe dede. Inti yesi Saturday ye enwo fufuo. Mo goto fufuo machine. Ade. Yen wo fufuo ohene na oba no ompe dede ohene na oba no ompe dede otaking kind book ope quiet time ota rest inti asimu mo around benchia area yen mekokom won kwase fufuo bia ena tim ohene na mewu anto yeso ha muso amode pesupeku ohene no oyobia ompa de bon ompe momone ompe supeku ompe e de apatre e gatemu nam mo amori ankwan amode supeku apatre any nyanya nchire gumu no yesra mo 4 days yenja na every salad me say oyiri we ngola Kumasi obi awu oyiri we ongono ni afunfon ni na Kumasi ya da ni nyanga ale ya da bena na bako nana da bena udi go guest ibako nana ya no onko na wanko dia buei me say oyiri no onko 4 days ni nyina ewu yesi me enwo fufuo me an risupeku me and for money go enkontomre nkwan mu me anya enwa patre nkwan ye mai ade bia bon bia no ye se ohene no mpe ene se ne so 4 days they say disaster kako kwase kako ohene no ompe kako cent kako tumi wo minim na kun dangerous mo amota pa benkwan no mo ma benkwan ntutu mo ya benkwan na mo de eye atum mo ya benkwan na mo de eye prekesa atum no ohene on pesa cent no 4 days idi ene ewu me see ohini we nko ni aye fast na ni eba be na da be ni eba didi ye betuma serve omo 10 cups o se edi hwe o ye twe dia ne pa bofro kwan de wa obetra bofro kwan be bo tuo nana ebema eye de eye obrafo no ananti krom ohene ne ba otumfo said to ebema eye de executioners omo mutwa di party no ombe nanti krom ombe ye omonim ninam krom wa obeye bofro kwan la yila ayila ene de e wo letter ni mame kan paragraph 4 no njiro ebia meka se bia me dada mo paragraph 4 we urge all as Kumasi residents to abstain from any kankindie or any smelly stuff. 1. The king has said nobody should add supeku. Paragraph 3 ho PZ for monte brofo na me kan na kan brofo na jejejebo. Nobody should cook bofron kwine. Bathroom kwine. The king does not want to smell apatre. Ni nyina wom. Inti eye Saturday 24 to 28 no. You say me and we apatre ye nye bofro. Wa wo beye bofro kwan e be chew. Wa wo beye bofro kwan Kumasi e be chew. A ohene na oba na obete. Twan 29th. Na me say ohene ne ko 29th a ba e be bo se wo asantebe mu no. E wana ba gigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigigig Aye. 29th, a year be a bear or Santiago. So in already 4 days. I don't be corner. I want to say Dianu Asante. Intimate Majujo Machamo. I watch it. Uja kwa.
Yo, we are best fishermen. No, 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 no,